In 2025, you don't need a studio, a mic, or even your own voice to create high-quality audio. Whether you're building a podcast, making YouTube videos, or composing music, AI is now your sound engineer. Today, I'm revealing the top 20 AI tools that are reshaping the audio world. Let's go. 1. 11 Labs. Ultra-realistic voice cloning in multiple languages. Perfect for audiobooks and YouTube voiceovers. 2. Murph.ai. Professional-grade voiceovers with pitch and pause control. Used by marketing teams across Europe. 3. Play.ht. Convert text to audio with over 800 voices. Monetizable podcast-ready output. 4. Descript Studio Sound. AI voice cleanup plus overdub feature. Popular among remote podcasters. 5. VoiceMod AI, real-time AI voice changer. Great for gaming streams and virtual avatars. 6. Iva.ai, AI music composer for background tracks, ads, and storytelling. 7. Soundraw.io, create original royalty-free music tailored to your video length and mood. 8. Beethoven.ai, emotion-based AI music generator. Perfect for YouTube intros and ads. 9. Resemble.ai, clone your voice with custom emotion sliders. Used in films and games. 10. Laylal.ai, isolate vocals, instruments, and background audio using stem separation. 11. Cleanvoice.ai, polish your voice recordings by removing filler words, stutters, and mouth noises. 12. Podcastle.ai, all-in-one podcast creation tool with AI voice generation, editing, and remote recording. 13. Uberduck.ai, fun and powerful voice cloning with celebrity impressions and API support. 14th. Refusion, generate music from text prompts using diffusion models. AI plus music equals magic. 15. Boomy.com, make full AI-generated songs and publish them on Spotify with one click. 16. Altered.ai, voice style transfer. Change gender, age, or accent in seconds. 17. wavtool.com, AI music production suite inside your browser. Mix, master, create. 18. Melobytes, generate music, sound, and even robotic singing voices from text. 19th. Lovo.ai, natural AI voices for e-learning, explainer videos, and ads. 20. Adobe Podcast, Project Shasta. Clean, enhance, and level your podcast audio with AI in one click. That's it. The 20 most powerful AI tools to generate sound, music, and voiceovers like a pro. Which one will you try first? Comment below. Like this video if audio is your thing, and subscribe to Next Gen AI Hustle, where smart creators build smarter income with AI every week. Until next time, stay sharp and sound better.